I have no idea how we got here. Went the entire journey without something happening to me. Oh, this looks really creepy and half. It looks like that already happened. So, what happened? Take a wild guess. Oh, hey, Paris 3, or Hennessy. What happened? He got a bit of rain on my pan and I ripped him in half. I get that. But why? As you just said. Also, this seemed like a bit over. Yes. Also, it doesn't really matter. I mean, don't you hit him? I mean, I hit him, but I never wear skin. I am not a psychopath. Give me a minute. What are you doing? I'm literally looking up every single shore where you were a psychopath. Well, and also it's a trick question because it was all of them. Never make fun of me again. That is a fair warning. A warning that I will not take to heart. Why? What are you gonna do? Actually, I have an idea. What happened? Nothing much. Something feels off. What do you mean? I don't know. Oh, for God's sake, look down. Ah! Ah! Yeah, it took a lot of pain and efforts to sew you back together. As you could tell by all the blood on my face. We don't even have blood. Shut up, I'll throw you I'm in a river. Where resistance to rust. I think it's called Rustistance. Blood! Oh my God, that blood hurt. That hurt so much. I am in pain. I'm in pain. Ow. Oh my God, I'm in so much pain. Oh, I am in so much pain. Ow. And oh God, I'm going to faint. Oh. Someone call an ambulance. Call an ambulance, please. Call an ambulance. Oh my God, I am in so much pain. Oh, I am in pain. I am in so much. Shut the fuck up. Christ, mate. Thanks for dealing with that. No problem. I think I sewed you back together.